Okay, hey, what are we gonna do today?
Do a gradient.
We're gonna make a gradient. Okay, first thing we need to do, Henry, is get
Put the
the cup
sugar!
and put the sugar in. So take cup number 1.
Wait, how are you so strong? Wait, what's
Okay, so cup number 1, let's put some sugar in. 1 scoop of sugar.
Where did you get the sugar from?
The store,
What kind of store?
the grocery store. Okay, now
Ralph's?
sugar
You
number
got from
2.
Ralph's? You got it from Ralph's?
Yep.
Oh,
Number 2 gets 2 scoops.
Why? Why?
Because we're making each layer a little bit thicker. They all look like they're bigger. Each one's bigger than the next. Right? Okay, thank you. Number
Why is
5.
it
Start
hard?
with number 5. No, there's a tip here. Watch your hands. There you go.
Let me do it. Do I have to do all of it?
Alright, yep, all of it. And we're gonna stir to
Till
really
it gets
get
clear.
them in there.
Until it gets clear.
Exactly. Can you stir that? And I'll pour the next 2 ounces. Whoa, careful. We might have to heat that one up a little bit if it doesn't turn clear. Rainbow.
Yeah, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Okay, so we're gonna start number 1 with
Red.
red. We don't have an orange, but we have red, and then we're gonna do yellow,
Orange, yellow, green, blue.
green,
Blue,
blue,
purple.
purple. Okay, so start
Red,
number
orange,
1.
yellow, green, blue, purple.
I think you can do number 1, 2, and 3 coming up.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
All right. So now.
Orange now.
No, now
Can
we're
we do
gonna take.
red first?
No, we're gonna take the thickest one
The thickest.
and do that first.
Bubble, 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 bubble.
That's number
Why did
5.
this came from Las Vegas?
So remember, this is pretty warm.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, not lost.
Las Vegas.
Some people get lost in Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Las
Why
Vegas.
why did you even want? Why didn't you take
Okay,
me
you
there?
ready?
Why didn't you take me?
Ready? You want to put this in the
Why
bottom
didn't-
layer?
Why didn't you take
Put it.
me?
It's going in your cup.
Why didn't-
Remember?
What?
Ready to put the layers on?
Mm.
Okay, so we've let them cool so it's easier to work with. We put layer number 5 in. Now we're gonna put number 4. Ready? Do you want to pull that up to fill it up? It's hard. There you go. Careful. Not all the way. There you go. Perfect. Oop. Perfect. Now, ready? Remember, we're gonna go
Let me do
very
it.
gently.
Let me do it.
Okay. And gentle, slow. See the purple and the blue.
How many subscribers do we have?
30.
30 subscribers. How many views
Let's
do
put
we
the
have?
rest of the let's put the rest of the
How many?
blue in.
How many?
That
how
doesn't matter. How much fun is this?
100.
100. That's right.
So we
Okay,
have
let's do
100
the green
So
one
we have
next.
100 views.
Look, do the green one next. And say, playing with sugar is pretty fun, huh?
100. is
Okay,
fine.
ready? Now, remember we want to be gentle when we're adding the layer. So gentle, yep, go slow. Here they settle in the density gradient.
What
So
the-
so far we have purple, blue, and green in the layers. So Henry, do you see the colors? That there's a purple,
Green.
blue.
I can actually see the yellow.
So just like we did, we make a gradient of different sugar concentration.
Whoa.
Okay, just like we did, and you layer it in on top of each other so
Why
that
do
we have
you
those
want me?
different
Why do
layers.
you want me to know science?
And then listen, we took proteins, and based on their density, we could separate them. And so if proteins were together, they would stay together in the gradient, in the same, like either the green fraction or the purple fraction, right? But if they didn't interact, they wouldn't be in the same fraction. So look at this.
Well, so
And
what's
now
this?
it's not interacting anymore like
So
it was
what's
here.
This? What's this? Is that the that's the floating one and that's the sinking one. So, is that
Kind of, yeah, because if it's together as a complex, it's going to be heavier,
So
so
that's
it's
why-
going to sink.
That's what you did in
And
your
if
lab.
it's not
That's
together in a
did you do
complex,
in
it's
your
going
lab?
to be lighter.
Did you do it?
Yeah, we did that in my lab. It's very similar to
helped
this
you? Who
sucrose
helped
gradient.
you?
My students. That was pretty fun.
Kids, please subscribe. Bye.
And I'm with my grandson.